3 ways to combat dandruff naturally. Hi, this is Jovanka from JovankaCiares.com, and if you are struggling with dandruff, you are not alone. The causes vary greatly. It could be poor hygiene, low quality hair products, all the way up to fungal infections, eczema, psoriasis, or maybe another serious health condition. Regardless, and depending on the reason for your struggles with dandruff, the first thing that you should do is to get your scalp checked by a dermatologist just to rule out any potential serious problems. Now, once you have, even if you are taking or using medicated shampoo, there's 3 things that I want to recommend to you that you can use in conjunction with other treatments that you might be using. These are the things that I personally tried and I've given to my partner who struggles with this a lot. And here they are. But first, help me spread the word about natural remedies, vegan lifestyle, and healthy living by subscribing. Also, click that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. The first one is coconut with lemon. Lemon is a key ingredient used in a lot of medicated shampoos and products that you find in the market. All you need to do is mix the juice of a full lemon with 4 tablespoons of warm coconut oil. Do not microwave the coconut oil, just warm it in the stove. Apply to the scalp only, although you can massage the rest of your hair with that, and then cover your hair with a plastic bag and leave that there for about 30 minutes. Then you can wash your hair and style as normal. The second is aloe vera. I love my aloe vera. It's actually one of the best cooling botanicals out there for your hair and your scalp. Ideally, you want to find the fresh aloe from the thick leaves that you find in the market. But if that's not available, you can buy high quality extracts at your local health food store. All you need to do is take about 5 to 6 tablespoons of that gel extract and apply it directly into your scalp only late at night. And then let it dry up. And then let it dry out a little bit before going to bed, leaving it overnight, and then shampoo and set as normal in the morning. Finally, the third one is camphor. These are little tablets that you find in the supermarket. You can also find them in liquid form, but most of them come in this tablet that you would have to melt, ideally in the stove, not in the microwave. And that is what you blend with coconut oil. This remedy is both cooling and skin friendly because coconut has antifungal actions. So it sort of gives you a 1-2 punch approach to help your scalp heal. All you have to do is mix 1 tablespoon of the camphor with 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Keep in a small bottle and apply nightly to the scalp. You don't want to apply a ton of it because you don't necessarily have to wash it off the next morning. So you can use it 2 or 3 days in a row before you wash your scalp and set your hair as normal. So those are really amazing remedies that you can use on a regular basis. They don't dry your hair, they actually nourish your scalp, and the more you use them, the more effective they are. So those are it. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions about other remedies that are similar for your scalp, let me know by leaving a comment below. Make sure that you share this video with all of your friends all over the internet and that you subscribe for more tips and a jolt of motivation for your healthy, happy, and beautiful life. See you soon.